Actually, in due to the high of that 15 minutes previous swing, but when it's come to ES, then the high, like the recent swing, but not there are two other swing points before that. But when it's come to NQ, NQ to go through highs, but ES. So, so we'll wait and see uh, how ES reacts. So in this case, completely ES is bearish today, and NQ is bullish. Uh, so at this case, if I see my setup, I will end the trade. So it's going into the FEG and doing something. We'll see. Seems like it's respecting the fair value gap. And what else? Interesting. So when it comes to ES, taking this early gap as support, and also the 12 AM open also is there. So it's taking those 2 points as support and moving higher. So what we can expect here is actually we can't expect anything. We have to just see what the market is trying to show you rather than looking at what you want, because just read the price, how it's reacting from each candle to each candle. So look at the movements, and from that onwards, identify what it's trying to say. Then with that, get an idea of how you can enter the trade. So even though before end of the day, is it showing your setup? That's another important thing. So if it's only, you can enter the trade. You'll see. So the two liquidities points are taken, but still, let's come to 5 minutes. Actually, I'm not a big fan of 5 minutes, but yeah, 15 minutes. You can see that market is trading an SMT comparing to NQ. Yes, NQ took this high, but when it comes to ES didn't take these highs. So what we can see here is the weaker pair here is ES, and the stronger pair there is NQ for today for the bullish. So market down 957. So here's a power gap. There's another buy side liquidity above there. So keep it simple. Yes, it's going higher. See? Okay. Small time also, that's all. If you go less than 1 minute, you can see that that's another SMT, but we'll see. Still inside the power gap. Sorry, inside the area. Sorry. What is this about that area? Few minutes. Okay, that's a 50% of Okay, 50% percentage of this one right now. Remove this and this one. Is it necessary? Yeah, fine. Give it. USD allow 50%. So when it's come to NQ, I didn't hit the 50 percentage, but when it's come to ES, yeah, ES not even doing that much. So let's see from here to here. So 2 years later already took. Payment. Okay, here you go. So it not even complete the half of this portion. We'll see. Actually, at this point, okay, great. Thank you, guys, or invite of this, but tap onto the power cap 50 minutes. See what he is trying to do here. The power gap is created and it's not even built before it's moving higher. And what NQ is doing is the same thing. But I mark it. This has a different color, so that will be easy for me. That's actually 50 percentage of the whole previous 50 minutes move. If we note it down, yes, there we go. This is actually this. Let's see. So actually, events come to silver bullet. Mostly, I enter inside the map. So that's where I expect the price to move for the higher or lower with a high frequent move. It's like you can see the impulsive move from here. Okay. Still respecting the OB at this point. Because you can see okay, it tapped into the 50 minutes power gap. We'll see how it reacts at this point. NQ, what are you doing, brother? Okay, NQ already took the 50 minutes power gap like very long time ago. It's like it took it earlier, even now. But yes, is just now it's taking also NQ is actually tapped into 1 hour power gap, but yes, it's just tapped into 50 minutes power gap just now. So if you are expecting in sell position from here at this point, yes is the great option. Can NQ, in my opinion. Okay, but it's a good move because he needs to create the alpha lega, and yes, so in my case tap into the 15 percentage, and if a candle the body closed below this alpha lega, then I will look for an entry. If not, no entry for me. That's all. We'll see. At this point, yeah, I'm about to end the trade, uh, but we'll see how it's react. Because wait, wait. It's again a clear sweep, so seems like it's not the best place to enter. We'll wait. We'll wait for price actions how it's going. Right. So the candle itself says what it's gonna do, even though you're trying to move lower. It's a back over very low time frame. Even though we are in 1 minute low time, there are traders like you who are trading very low time frame as well. But like in market mode, like from the next candle, it's move and dropping that high previous high. So let's see. So we are in 50% of this area. Okay, but we'll see. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. The price actually trying to move higher, even outside of the power gap, because when it's come to NQ, it's already took the power gap is already filled and move higher, but yes, it just now it's trying to break up. Let's see. That's power gap. This point, mark it down. Our point is to mark out the power gaps and then see. That's all. What NQ is actually doing? Okay, interesting. Power gap. In this case, it's an inversion power gap. Having the low inversion power gap. Actually, we can expect the trade to move further low. We'll see. This point, I'm anticipating that price can go lower after tapping the high power gap. Yes, that's it. Still inside the range. Let's see, but it seems like it will respect the high power gap. But somehow, in my expectation, what you need to close inside or below this high power gap. Just interesting. We'll see. This point, yes. No, do it. Just wait and see. here and now, let me draw in my case. The unit need to be consistency specified, but fine. It's very low. That's still fine. I'm expecting the price to move for the lower. Okay, yeah, we can expect. Yes, this actually 1:2, but this is where actually we enter, right? So we'll mark out this. It's 1:1, and some other swing point here. We'll mark out here and see. Okay. We could have enter yes because that's our biggest pair here at this point. But now, okay, fine. Just after end of the trade, what we have to do is just we have to wait and see how the price is actually moving. That's all. That's your work. That's all. That's all you have to do actually. Because there's a power gap here at this point, which is created before it's moving higher. So you have to identify and understand that why actually I say ES is look, ES took the reached the price very close to 50% of this power gap. Actually, the consequent encroachment of this FEG, but NQ is just now tap into the power gap. So always make sure that you are entering the VKPR. So like if it's a sell, if it's a buy, you have to focus on stronger pair. Look, just now it's hitting the 50%, but ES already took an close outside of this power gap. It's closing, interesting, very interesting. Okay, interesting. Okay, fine. It's fucked. Like I didn't set up that properly. I just set up my paper trading account. I'm trading from another account, so don't worry about that. Tap into this area. So what it's gonna do? That's our expectation here at this point. Let's see what it can do at this point. Actually, this is an inversion power gap, not the power gap. We'll see. Small power gap at this point. Yes, interesting. Seems like let's see. Seems like NQ disrespecting this power gap, but yes, it's still inside the power gap. But we'll see. Okay, say me is also this seems like disrespecting at this point. If it's all. Okay. still respecting the previous hourly gap, like the small, very small one. If you notice that, which is the expected area here. Yes. Thank you. Yes, of course. I'm down. 50% of consequent encroachment. Let's see. Let's see. At this point, seems like it's respecting this valley gap a lot. Like, let's see. This is 1.136. Actually, we could have entered at this point after this candle or something here, here. Okay, so that's our area, but fine. We missed the entry. We was late. Fine, that's fine actually. Actually, my entry will be somewhere here, like after this candle. Yes, as most of the time when it's come to this setup, like I used to trade in different setups, but when it's come to this setup, I ended after this. What it calls actually seems like also by this point, because whenever it's hit any sweep, any of the high time frame, then after that, like I'll try to enter. So that's what I actually have here as well. But we'll see. This is the expected area. Okay. Still going higher. Interesting. Sorry, lower. So sweet at this point. So this is why actually it's very important to enter inside any of these macro. Okay. Macro plus syllable. This is a very precious entry when it's come to me. So like it depends on, it's very when it's come to people. Right? Okay, so there are seems like there are very less possibilities, but I don't want to make sure this. At this point, I'll try to close this entry with the reward that I got, because when it's come to ES already tapped into the 12 a.m. entry, and just reverse back trying to. We'll see how it's moving. Okay, what we notice here, this low, look on NQ took the low, but ES still struggling to take this low. Why? At this point, E is the biggest pair we have, but below that we have that tool name open. So at this point, it's struggling to move lower than that. So for this whole move, if you look at it, it's 3 minutes. Okay, okay, interesting. Both of them are moving for the lower. Okay, so yes, also took the low, so it's invalid at this point. Interesting. Look, 2.3 at this case, but we have to enter somewhere here, but we ended here. That's fine. What do you notice here? What do you notice here? It's 2.53. Yeah, nice. Sweet trade at this point. Interesting. Okay, TP hit at this point. So 2.53. That's a very interesting area. Like, okay, it's going for the lower. That's fine. I'm good with this 2.53. Okay, because this is where I expect trade to move. So I'm good. So, okay, guys. Thank you.